Oh, hi, we're really excited to introduce our new Kava range. We've really touched every flavour and effect that you can get with Kava, which one of each of the 5 different in our range for the connoisseurs. And yeah, for those of you that don't know, Kava was restricted from Australia for a long time. And it's such a great healing, intoxicating, yummy herb that can do so much for so many. So today we're going to learn how to make it the traditional way with Sunita. And yeah, let's get started on that. So we're going to use, which one should we use today? Kelai. So this one is particularly good for if you want to get in a creative mode. So they've all got different effects and flavors, which we can take you through later. But we're at work today, so we're going to use the creative one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll take about 3 tablespoons for 1 to 2 people.
Yeah, right. So we can share it.
Yeah. 3 heaped.
And what's your experience of this being from Fiji? You were raised with this in your culture? And
Well, traditionally it is the Fijian culture. The Indians are into alcohol, but they realize the benefit of kava, so they're getting into it as well.
Yeah.
I grew up in Fiji as a young kid, but this is mostly for adults, but yay!
Nice.
All right, so we're going to use 600 mils of water. Would you like to pour that?
Yeah.
While I massage this through in this kava bag.
And the water's, you get it like just a bit over room temperature, so tepid, just slightly, lukewarm, but definitely not boiling.
And slowly pour it over and keep massaging it. Feels really nice on the hands.
It's a really nice grind, actually, the consistency of it.
Really creamy. You can put the bag in the water as well. Oh, this is fun.
Can I go a bit faster, or is it important to do it slowly?
Now you can go a bit faster.
Okay.
The more you massage it, the more you get out of it.
Yeah, and I've heard it's quite good to not just sip it, but to have a shot of it as well, like to neck it.
Yeah. I think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
Not like a cup of tea.
Yeah. And we do this for maybe 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah. The more you massage, the more you get out of it, and it just feels amazing.
Yeah. Well, while you're doing that, I can talk about the different strains that we've got. So the Borogoru, this one is a really nice muscle relaxant. To be honest, Ray, our founder, suggested we had it with a shot of coffee and some milk. And the whole office just came alive. We were having fun, and it was really nice to put the 2 together. I'd only had it on its own before, and it made me, after exercise, feel really relaxed and really good in my body.
Yeah, I was surprised the combination of coffee and kava together, because I've never had it together, and it feels really good.
Yeah, well, that's classic Ray. That like let's just put a little bit of spin on this. What else have we got? We've got the beer car, which is more of a euphoric, heady experience too. So I've only actually tried this one once, but we were kind of a bit blissful. I drink a lot of Blue Lily, and this was, I reckon the 2 together would be really cool. Yeah, but this one tasted really nice as well. It was like roasted peanuts and black pepper. They've all got their own flavors and profiles. And the Mellow is the one that I've been using the most of kind of regularly. If I'm having a bath or something like that, it's just very, as the name suggests, mellow. So smooth, easy to taste, gives you that nice numb taste. And this is the instant. So how are we going in there?
You can feel that the creaminess of that is getting less, because a lot of the goodness is being squeezed out.
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks really good.
Yeah, can we see that on the camera? We see what we're getting up to there.
It's getting thicker and thicker.
And it's quite nice actually, because we've got the instant, which is great, which is what we had earlier on, and that was quick. Everybody just got a buzz off it, and we all got playful. But with this, I'm really quite enjoying the experience of being patient with it and present with it.
It's like a little ceremony,
Yeah.
Before you go and do your medicine, do a little ceremony.
Yeah. Imagine we've got a jungle behind us and a beach.
That looks quite creamy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, you can go longer if you want.
Mm-hmm. Well, and you can use it a second time as well, can't you? We've been keeping it in the bag and then doing another wash with it, which has been effective still as well.
I mean, you can keep going with it for sure.
Okay.
Look, there's more and more squeeze out of it.
All right, let's have a go then.
Okay. Beautiful.
Into the bowls.
All right. Well, traditionally, you don't pour it out of there. You just kind of grab it in there and and before you drink it, if you want to be really traditional,
Yeah.
you got to do 3 claps.
Okay. Yeah.
Bula.
Bula. Okay. And what's the symbolism with that? Is there a reason for the claps, or is it?
It's just an opening ceremony that you're about to drink.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. Are you gonna join me?
That's a big bowl.
Yeah. We normally have a side breakfast out of these, but yeah. And is there a way to say cheers in the Pacific Islands? Or?
No, just
Bula.
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 Bula. Yeah.